Hi friends, today we are going to explain you crop production and management. In this chapter it is only based on how to produce crop and how to manage it. Uh, in this chapter you know that NCERT book is full of activities. They explain from activities, but but we ex- we I explain you simply. So all living organisms require food to get energy, है ना? You know that all living organisms require food to get energy, to do work, to carry out various life processes, digestion, respiration, excretion, etc., and to grow. Agri- ag- Agriculture includes the practice of raising plants and rearing animals for food and other products. The plot of land used for cultivation of crop plant is called agriculture field. You know, when plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. On the basis of useful products obtained from plants, crops are classified into different groups such as cereals, fiber crops, pulses, oil, seeds, sugar yielding crops, vegetables, fruits, spices, etc. There are two types of cropping patterns. You know about them? I tell you, they are Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops grow in between October to March or April. In Rabi crops, we grow wheat, barley, gram, pea, mustard, etc. Kharif crop. Kharif crop grown in June to September. In this crop, we grow paddy, sugarcane, maize, groundnut. Okay? Basic activities of agriculture practices are activities that we take place agricultural agricultural practice. I say the plants of same kind are cultivated on a large scale are called crop. See, there it is given. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a yield that wheat. Anna? Yes. The first agriculture practices that we take place to grow the practices that we take place to grow a crop is first is preparation of soil. In this we plow the field. In this modern time we plow the field from big machines, now uh, when you go at your village you see your grandfather and grandmother growing crops. Does you see ever? Okay. Second is sowing of seeds. In this we sow seeds in the yield field. And then is adding manure and fertilizer. Manure means the matter that make from the animal waste and the kitchen waste. That is eco friendly. They are used for grow grow plants maturely. You know now? Yeah. Then we have to irrigate it. Means irrigation. In this process we give plants water at the periods. And then crop protection from weeds. Crop protection crop protection from weeds means protecting from weeds. In this process we cut weeds or spray weedicides that dead all the weeds. And then harvesting we cut the matured crop. And then storage, we store the harvested crop. In preparation of soil is done by plowing and then leveling the field. A plow, hoe or cultivator is used to plow the field, while leveler is used for leveling. And then so plow is a plow is a tool that is used to plow the field. And then sowing of seeds. Sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high yield. Does you know how to select seeds? We select seeds by put them in a water in a bowl that is full from water, and kept in that the unhygiene seeds get float on the water, but the hygienic seeds get sink in the water. Okay, we can we sow the field by a seed drill. And traditional method of sowing, you see that the two buffaloes and they are plowing, and the mans are sowing seed in that. The seeds are sown by three methods: using broadcasting, traditional tool, using seed drill, sowing in nursery, and then transplanting the small plantlets to the crop yield. The traditional methods of it. Then we come at adding manure and fertilizers. We add manure and fertilizer to get a matured what? Crop. You know now? Yes. Then time of irrigation. There are many methods to irrigate. Their traditional methods are moat, chain pump, dhekli, rahat. Modern methods of irrigation is sprinkler system and drip system. Sprinkler system, the water supply sprinkle the water to all the crop. Okay. Yes. Weeding is done by tilling, using weedicides, or by manually using a harrow or trowel. Okay. Manure and fertilizers are used to increase the soil fertility and to provide nutrient to the crop plants. Okay. Harvesting of crops. You know the Bihu, Onam, Pongam, Ponal. Why they celebrate? They are celebrate on the day when the all crop of of their state to get harvest. Harvesting of crops can be done manually with a sickle or using a machine called harvester. Harvesting includes two processes: threshing to separate the grains from straw, winnowing to separate the grain seeds from chaff. We cut, we harvest the crop by combine. You see that winnowing machine, figure 1.9. Then we connect storage. How we storage? And at small quantity of grains at home can be in jute bags or metallic containers. But where does we store the crop on large scale? Does you know? Large scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries. And animal providers different kinds of food and food products. Some of them are milk, eggs, meat, honey, and cod liver oil. Rearing of animals on a large scale, along with providing them proper food, shelter, and care, is called animal husbandry. When we take care of animals for get something from them at large scale, this is called animal husbandry. Okay, we finish this chapter, and next video we see the chapter microorganism the 4. I get to make this video many times, but you have to take 1 minute for subscribe this video and like. Thank you.